Looking for the quickest way to add a three-way switch to Lutron smart switches? Check out this new Pico Peddle remote. Hi, this is David of Tech for Bubba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out this brand new pedal-style Pico remote. See how it's different from and similar to Lutron's original button-style Pico remote. I have the smart dimmer and remote kit that comes with a Diva smart dimmer and the brand new pedal remote to add a second point of control anywhere in the house. At a new location like the entryway or replacing an existing three-way switch. In the box, there's the Diva Smart Dimmer switch with the Lutron cover plate. The new Pico Peddle remote inserted in the wall box adapter. Mounting screws and nuts for both. A yellow jumper wire and a small mounting plate with adhesive for mounting or taping the Pico Peddle remote directly on the wall or any flat surface. Adding a Pico remote is by far the quickest way to add a three-way switch to Lutron smart switches anywhere in the house. No wires nor holes required. While some people liked or have gotten used to the unique look of Lutron's original cassette smart switches with many buttons, many still prefer the look and simplicity of the traditional paddle-style switches. Lutron finally introduced a new line of paddle-style smart dimmer and smart switches last September. Earlier this year, 2023, Lutron followed them with this pedal-style accessory switch for three-way or more multiple-way switch installations. After this video, you can see my earlier reviews of these Lutron smart switches and how to install them in the videos I'll link in the description below. I also share the Smart Hub requirement, maybe why these Lutron switches have been the most reliable smart switches I've used. This new Pico Peddle remote fits right in with all the Lutron's new paddle-style smart switches. It looks just like a typical mechanical pedal switch, simple and modern, except for this little indicator light in the middle on the right. Also, the paddle switch toggles on and off instead of clicking all the way on and off like the traditional mechanical switches. It's the exact same size and thickness as the original button-style Pico remote. Similarly, it can be mounted on the wall or desk surface directly with this little mounting plate, either with screws or just adhesive tape in the back. It can also be mounted over the existing three-way switch with this wall plate adapter, or better yet, anywhere on the wall in the house. To mount it flat on any wall, just remove this little cover plate on the adapter by prying it loose with a screwdriver. Slide the Pico remote into the adapter. Secure the adapter with anchors and screws on the top and the bottom. Then cover it with a wall plate like any switch. Lutron has this nice smooth one with the screws hidden. The Pico Peddle remote can be paired and used with the Lutron switch like this Diva dimmer switch directly without the Lutron app and the Smart Hub. Just hold the off button on the smart switch for 6 seconds until the light bar starts blinking. Then hold the off button on the pedal remote for 6 seconds until the light the dimmer switch controls flashes 3 times. The Pico Peddle remote is now paired with this dimmer switch. It can turn the light on where the dimmer level has been set on the dimmer switch, and off, of course. If the light is already on and dimmed, pressing the on button on the pedal remote again will turn the light to its full brightness. The pedal remote can be used simply paired with the dimmer switch without a hub, no apps, no accounts, no password. It could also be added to the Smart Hub and the rest of the Lutron system with the latest app to enable more smart features like scheduling, scenes, and voice control. The new Pico Peddle remote works with all Lutron residential smart devices as well as Radio RA3 and HomeWorks connected lighting control systems. The battery should last about 10 years under normal use. While exact price isn't available yet at the time of this video, if it retails similarly to the original Pico remote at around 20 to 30 US dollars, it's a great affordable way, the easiest way, to add a switch anywhere in the house without pulling any wires. I'll have links to it in the description below if you want to check it out. What smart switches have you used? Do your family members find them as reliable and useful as you? Share your experience with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Thanks to Lutron for sending this out early for me to try and share with you.